It is taken to be left turn. Then what type of effects are attaining of our aeroplane? So mainly to consider as the our nose and rear. What type of effects are achieving of our aeroplane? So all of you observe that. So here, so already I said the one small example. So it is considered as the one aeroplane. So the plane will have the at the nose end will have the propeller. So all of you observe that. So when the propeller will rotates clockwise direction when weaving from the rear end. Rear end means this side. When weaving from the rear end. So then the plane will takes to the left. So then the plane will takes to the left side. So then all of you observe that. Then the plane will takes to the left side. Okay. So then the plane will takes to the left side. So the direction of weaving is there, and the plane will takes to the left side. Left turn. So then the effect of gyroscopic couple is here we have a one bold mark. All of you observe that. Here have one bold mark. So that is the that is so the direction of rotation. The direction of rotation. The direction of rotation. The direction of rotation is taken to be this side. So left clockwise direction, and the plane will takes to the left turn. And we take the left turn. So then the effect of gyroscopic couple is when all of you observe the diagram point of view. So already given the direction of rotation. So all of you observe that with the mouse indication. Already I give the mouse indicator. So when it is rotating clockwise and the plane will takes to the left turn. So both are opposite. If
your voice is not clear.
Their movements are opposite. You will observe that. Their turning movements. You will observe that their turning movements. Okay, I will. So their turning movements are opposite. Here you will observe that left turn and the direction of rotation is clockwise. So then the effect of gyroscopic couple is to raise the nose. That means the total portion. Actually the plane will goes on this only this one, this orientation. But when it will takes to left, it may also have, it will achieve this type. That means to raise the nose and dip the tail. To raise the nose and dip the tail. That means it may also changes. The turning moment will be the angular momentum will change from OX to OX dash. They may also change that. So you will observe that. So that is that will easily to understand by the help of only our diagram. So all of you observe that. So that is the condition is also one line condition is there. The propeller rotates clockwise direction when weaving from the tail end, and the plane will takes to the left turn, and the plane will takes to the left turn. Then the effect of gyroscopic couple is to raise the nose, to raise the nose and dip the tail. And second condition, coming to the second point of view, the engine or propeller rotates clockwise direction when weaving from the rear end or tail end, and the plane will takes to the right turn. Next time right turn this side. So and our direction of rotation, you will also observe that direction of rotation. So you may also take the plane will takes to the this side. So for example, I will show you the annotations. You will observe that. So next time this side direction. So right turn, when the plane will takes to the right turn this side, so then propeller and the direction of turning and the turning movement will be the same. So then the effect of gyroscopic couple is to dip the nose this type. Okay. So when it will takes to right turn, then it may also get the particular. Okay. So this type, that means the, okay, to dip the nose and raise the tail. So these are the effects. These are very, very important. How we get the our, okay, effects. Okay, while the plane will take to the left turn and right turn. So the direction of weaving is also very important. So already we say already we covered this this one. So now all of you, okay, you will open your notebooks and make the particular problem. So all of you make it a, okay, make it write a problem. So that is
Sir, your voice is not
all
clear,
of you
sir.
observe that. Hello. So now all of you observe that. Okay. So all of you observe that. Fit to page. This one. So all of you observe that. An aeroplane flying at 240 kilometers per hour turns towards left and completes a quarter circle of 60-meter radius. The mass of rotary engine and the propeller of the plane amounts to 450 kg. With a radius of gyration 320 mm and the engine speed is 2000 rpm clockwise. When viewed from the rear, determine the gyroscopic couple on aircraft and state its effects. Okay, and the conditions are, in what way is the effect changes? The aeroplane turns toward right. Okay, the engine rotates clockwise when viewed from the front end, and the aeroplane turns left and right. So four conditions are there. What we discussed in earlier derivation, those all are given here. So before going to, okay, state their effects. So first we will make the problem. So that is, first all of you write the given data. All of you write the given data. So all of you observe that M is there, mass of the our engine or propeller. So 450 kg. Radius of gyration is there 0.32. Okay. And next speed is there, 10 value, 2000 rpm is there. So when we know the speed value, then simply to find out the our angular velocity. So that is the omega. Omega equals to 2 pi n by 60. Then simply to find out the our omega. And
Our voice is not clear,
velocity.
sir.
Is it audible or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Lal.
LOL.
358, sir. Next week after class.
376, sir.
Hello.
Jyotish Kumar.
86.
Don't make
87.
noise, Amma.
Jyotish Kumar, sir. 358.
Class number 387.
Lal. Lala.
Hello, number 373.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Anyone respond?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now,
Yes, sir.
now all of you listen. Okay, okay. V is there. V value is the our 240 km pH. So all of you observe that it is okay. The value will be given in 240 km pH. So that is converted into meter per seconds. So that's why 240 into 10 cube by 3600. Then you may get that okay 66.67 meter per seconds. Okay, so the V is there and omega is there, and I means what is the formula for I? So that is the mk square. So mk square means m value is there, already mass value is there, and radius of gyration is there, 450 into 0.32 whole square. So when we make the calculation, then simply to get the 46.08 kg meter square. Okay. So now all of you listen here. So I is there, omega is there. Okay, both are already given. Okay, both are coming, and another value is there. Unknown, another unknown. That is the omega suffix p. So omega suffix p means. So already said the okay particular formula. So that is the V by capital R. V by capital R. So V by capital R means V is the already okay get that. That is the 66.67, and R radius of curvature, that is the 60. So when we substituted the both the values, then simply to get the omega suffix, that is 1.11 radian per seconds. Okay, now the gyroscopic couple, okay, due to the aeroplane, C equals to okay I into omega suffix p. So I value is 46.08 and omega is the 209.4 and omega p means 1.11. So then simply to get that 10713 Newton meters. The gyroscopic couple due to the plane is 10713 Newton meter, and it may also converts into 10.713 kilo Newton per meter. So this is the our problem. So that is the what are the unknowns are there. The unknowns are only gyroscopic couple. So already given values, from the given values, how to get the okay omega value and I value and omega suffix p all are okay calculated. Then those values substituted into the in our gyroscopic couple. So then simply to get the our gyroscopic couple. And here we are not completed the our problem. So they may also ask the state its effects are also asking. So then, so all of you observe that. Again, we may also draw the one rough diagram of the aeroplane. So that is all of you observe that. Okay, all of you observe that. So that rough diagram. Okay, so the conditions are first one. The propeller rotates clockwise direction. The direction of rotation is clockwise when weaving from rear. When weaving from rear, and the plane will takes to the left, and the plane will takes to the left side, and the effect of gyroscopic couple is. So then all of you observe that. Then the effect of gyroscopic couple is here, that will be represented in vector diagrams. That is the figure B. All of you observe that OA, just that is also considered as the okay axis of spin or our plane. Okay, so simply to take as the OA is there, and when the plane will takes to the left, when the plane will takes to the left, then it may also okay change their angular momentum OB. Okay, OB. So then it may also have some couple. Okay, that is the active gyroscopic couple is there. Okay, so when we have get that, so all of you observe that OA is the angular momentum vector before turning, and all of you observe that. Okay, OB is the angular momentum vector after turning. OB is the after turning. So here they may write the some okay the AB. What we get the AB value? So that is the our angular momentum vector. Okay, sorry, AB is a active gyroscopic couple, and B dash A dash. So sometimes they may also write that B dash A dash. B dash A dash is also there. So that is a B dash A dash is a reactive gyroscopic couple. So that is perpendicular to the OA. So that is also there. And this couple acts in the vertical plane to rise the. So then they may also given their effect. So what is the effect is there? So already we discussed direction when weaving from rear and the plane will takes to the left. Then then the effect of gyroscopic couple is to rise the nose and dip the tail. To rise the nose and dip the tail. So that is our first condition. And second condition is when the plane will takes to the right turn. Okay, the condition will be the same. So that is the propeller rotates clockwise direction when viewed from the rear end, and the plane will takes to the right turn. And the plane will takes to the right turn. Then the effect of gyroscopic couple is. So then that is all of you observe this one, figure C. So when it will gets the right turn, so then the effect of gyroscopic couple is to dip the nose and rise the tail. To dip the nose, here D, to dip the nose and raise the tail. So all of you observe that. Okay. So that means the direction of rotation is clockwise and our turning. Okay. What is the turning movement is there? Right turn. Both will be the same. When we are having the same, it is a bold mark. Okay. When our turning movement is also same direction and the direction of rotation is also same direction, then the effect is then the effect is to dip the nose and raise the tail. So all of you observe that. If the aeroplane takes a right turn, the reaction couple is there, D dash C dash. So then which shows that the nose is depressed. Okay, or dip. The nose is depressed. Okay, depressed or dip, and tail is raised. And tail is raised. And third condition is also there. So that is when the engine rotates clockwise on weaving from the nose end. Now they are going to weaving direction is here, nose side. So when they are given to the when they are given to the our direction of rotation is clockwise and weaving from nose end. So then the plane will take to the left turn. So all of you observe that. So when the observer will change their their place, so that is the rear to nose. So that means here they may also shift it to their place, rear end to our nose end. So when they will come to this side, so then this direction, propelled direction is that side. That means this one. Okay. So just I will show you the with the help of spotlight. So spotlight. So this direction, the direction of direction rotation of our propeller is this direction. When they are coming to this side, nose side. When they are coming to nose side, the propeller is of rotations. Okay, and the plane will takes to the left turn. When the observer shifted to their position from rear to nose, but the plane turnings left, always left this side. Again, it may also going this side, and the plane will takes to the left turn. So then the effect of gyroscopic couple is, all of you observe that. So if so they may also maintain the all of you observe that. So so that is reaction couple indicating that the nose is again dipping and the tail is raised. The nose is dipping and tail is rising. Why? Because all of you observe our vector diagram of figure D. Okay, vector diagram of D. Okay. So here, when the engine or propeller rotates, okay, clockwise, on weaving from the nose end, EF is applied a couple. So then aeroplane turns lefter, again lefter. So then the F dash E dash is the reaction couple, indicating that the nose is dipped. So that means here, so direction of weaving is this side. So when they are shifted to the observer, their position from rear end to this side, nose end.
Your
So
voice is
then
not clear, sir.
the plane will takes to the left turn. Okay, left turn. Again, it may also have left turn, and the plane will takes to the left turn. So then the effect of gyroscopic couple is, that means our turning movement and our direction of rotation will be the same direction, if you are observing that. So when we are having that, then the nose is dipped and the tail is raised. And going to last one, condition will be the same, but the aeroplane takes a right turn. So then the tail is depressed and the nose is raised. Here we may change that. That is, the nose end is raised and tail end is dipped. Here, that is those are the conditions available here. So those conditions easily to understand by the help of our vector diagram. So vector diagram representations are there. So you will observe that. So this is the vector diagram and this is the vector diagram is there. So actually when we draw the particular vector diagram, so these all are easily to understand by our total diagram. Our figure A, mainly concentrating on figure A. Just you will understand only one condition. Okay, so when we understand the one condition, then if they give any condition, then simply to write the answer, by the understanding of one condition. So this is just taken as the aeroplane, and the plane, this is the propeller. So the propeller rotates clockwise direction when weaving from the rear end, this side, when weaving from the rear end, and the plane will takes to the left turn. That means left turn. That may also goes on same. Then the effect of gyroscopic couple is, so the effect of gyroscopic couple is, so to rise, so if those are having the same turning movements, that is our direction of rotation is same, and our turning movement of the our turning, left turning or right turn, both are equal, then simply to write that those are the directions here. So that is our raise the nose and dip the tail. When we are having the unequal turning movements, it is rotating this side, and we may also take the same direction. So then raise the nose and dip the tail. So that is very important. Just will understand only one condition, enough. You may also write any condition. When they are given any condition, then simply to write it. So that is also there. Okay. Please unmute your mics and raise the queries belongs to the our effect of gyroscopic couple on an aeroplane.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, PDF full, sir. Students are
PDF.
asking.
I will send you the PDF, Amma.
ఎస్ సార్ పీడిఎఫ్ పంపించండి సార్.
Lal.
పంపించండి సార్.
No, I will send you the PDF. Okay, don't worry about of that one. So the thing is,
ఇంకో పలకొత్త ఏంటి 9:30 చూడలా 9:30 అయింది. సాయంత్రం కోసుకోవచ్చు ఎలాగ ఇటే మేపుతావుగా.
hello. No, please unmute their mic.
ఆజాద్
All of you observe that the total conditions are followed by the only this one.
Sir.
Top view of the
Sir,
our aeroplane. Tell me.
ఏరోప్లేన్ ప్రాబ్లం లో వి ఎలా వచ్చింది సార్?
We already given 240
అంటే
km
ఇంటూ 10^3/3 3600. Okay.
So actually that is converted into meter per seconds. So that is how we convert that. Kilometers is converted meters. That is the 10 cube. Okay, kms. Kilometer means 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. By hours are there. Hours is converted into seconds. That is the 3600. Okay. Do you understand that?
సార్ ఎస్ సార్.
kmph is converted into meter per seconds. That's why 1000 by 3600.
Okay, sir. Okay.
All of you observe that this diagram, very very important. All of you observe that this condition. Okay, so that is the our simple one line condition is there. The propeller rotates clockwise direction when weaving from rear end, and the plane will takes to the left turn. So if you are observing that these two, okay, did you observe my mouse indicator? Okay, so one is rotating clockwise and another turning movement is going to be anti-clockwise nearly. So when you are having both are unequal, that means opposite. When we get the opposite, so then the effect is to raise the nose and dip the tail. To raise the nose and dip the tail. And after right turn, when we take the right turn, so the propeller direction of rotation and our turning movement of both are equal. Then the effect of gyroscopic couple is to dip the nose, this portion, front portion, and raise the tail. Okay, so that is a simple thing here. So nearly have 8 conditions are there, but when we derive our derivation point of view, only write the 4 conditions. Enough. Those are direction of weaving this side, back side, and sometimes direction of weaving is front side. That is the nose end. So then what are the effects are there? What type of effects are there? Please raise the queries. Santosh, lateral entry 327, raise their hand. So tell me what is your doubt? Hello, please raise your doubts. Ma, don't post your doubts in chat box, ma. Okay, directly you will ask me the doubts. Do you copy the problem in your notebooks? All of you. It is important. All of you must copy the matter belongs to this problem. It is very important. Okay. Number 334, lateral entry 334. Raise their hand, Ravi. Please unmute your mic and ask me the doubt. What's your doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, now we are going to discuss about of the another problem. Simple problem is there. Just all of you observe that. So all of you observe the screen. So that is a uniform disc of diameter 300 mm and mass 5 kg is mounted on one end of an arm of the length 600 mm. The other end of the arm is free to rotate in universal bearing. If the disc rotates about the arm with a speed of 300 rpm clockwise, looking from the front, what speed it precesses about the vertical axis here? So here the problem will be given belongs to our spinning disc and spinning axis type. Okay, what we discussed in earlier classes, that is our gyroscopic coupled derivation and precessional angular motion derivation are there. Only we discussed about of the those things. Those are the spinning axis and spinning disc. Disc there, disc dia is 300 mm and that mass, disc mass is 5 kg. Is mounted on a one end, so that is also placed at the one end, and their length, that length of the shaft is 600 mm, and the other end is arm. Okay, other end of the arm is free to rotate in universal bearing. Okay, that is freely to rotate with the help of the universal bearing other end, and the disc rotates about the arm with a speed of 300 rpm clockwise. So the speed of the disc is 300 rpm. So looking from the front side, okay, so what speed it precesses about the vertical axis? So all of you observe that. From the problem description, we may also write our given data, that is the D equals to 300 mm. That means RE value is the 150 mm. That equals to, when we convert the meters, 0.15 meter is there. Mass value 5 kg and length of the arm value is the 0.6 meters and speed value is the 300 rpm, and omega is the, when we get the speed value and simply to find out the omega, 2 pi n by 60. So from that 31.42 radian per second are there. Just you will make the calculation. That is also very important. Not only to directly paste the total matter, just you will also make some calculation. Okay. Now omega is there, and now here all of you observe that. So that is we know that mass moment of inertia of the disk about the axis through its center of gravity and perpendicular to the plane of the disk. I equals to, generally when you are having the formula of mass moment of inertia, mk square, but here k is not there, but radius, okay, disk radius is there. Then how to calculate the our I value? So that is the m into r square by 2. M into r square by 2. So then 5 into r value is the 0.15 by 2 whole square. So when we calculate the value, just calculate the value. So that is 0.056 kg meter square. And now going to find out the here. So omega p is unknown here. Omega p is unknown. So then a couple is not also there. So then how to calculate the couple? So here couple due to the mass of the disk. Couple due to mass of the disk. C equals to the formula, simple formula is there. Couple, this is the couple due to the disk. C equals to mgl. So mgl means m value already there and g is the constant, already know that, and length of the arm is already there, that is the 0.6. So when we make the particular calculation, then simply to get the couple due to the disk, that is the 29.43 Newton meters. 29.43 Newton meters. And now actually gyroscopic couple, what is the formula for gyroscopic couple? I omega p. So here, so C already get that from the help of this formula, simple formula. So just we will substitute that value 29.43 and I already there, that is the 0.056 and omega 31.42 and omega suffix p. So that is the unknown. So omega p equals to, when we calculate the particular equation, so then simply to get that 16.7 radian per seconds. So that is our angular velocity of precision. Angular velocity of precision. So this is the one of the problem belongs to the our spinning disk and spinning axis and spinning disk. Just will copy the matter.
సార్ అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకోండి సార్.
Okay.
అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకోండి సార్, అటెండెన్స్.
Okay, I will take the attendance. Roll number 302.
Siren will take, sir, 376.
Okay, 376.
Sairam.
376. Please take the attendance.
Okay.
Okay, just you will write the absentees on your notebook. First you will take the total presentees. Okay, then note it down the absentees later. Okay, that will send to me. Lateral entry 320. 320. Please raise your queries. Raise your queries, please.
జ్యోతిష్ అడుగు, క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే అడుగు.
Can you explain the gyroscopic couple again, sir?
Hmm?
Explain the gyroscopic again.
Gyroscopic couple. So
సార్ అది ఓన్లీ
gyroscope
ఫ్లైట్స్ లోనే యూజ్ అవుతుంది సార్, ఇంకెక్కడ ఎఫెక్ట్ పనిచేయదా?
ఏంటమ్మా?
ఏరోప్లేన్స్ లోనే ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది సార్.
Aeroplane కాదండి. Okay, when you are having the motion parts, where you are having the motion part. Okay, so that means the arrangement, where the arrangement of spinning disc and spinning axis, that means shaft and, for example, let us take the shaft and gear. Okay, wheel and wheel axis and shaft and bearing. Okay, so when we are having the particular arrangement and propeller shaft, so where we are having the particular arrangement, those places generally observe the gyroscopic couple. Not only aeroplanes, ప్రతి చోట మనకి ఇది ఉంటుంది. ఎక్కడ మనకి which places? Spinning disc and spinning axis, that means shaft and gear. For example, wheel and wheel axis. Okay, propeller and propeller shaft. But another condition is also there. Not only have the particular arrangement, so that axis is having, that shaft is having the some angular displacement. So all of you observe the particular figure. Your screen sharing. Okay, just watch the screen sharing. So that is okay. Screen sharing is there. Del theta